National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Stevens County in northeastern Georgia, western Hard County in northeastern Georgia, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Carnesville, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Carnesville, Royston, Livonia, Gumlog, Cannon, Franklin Springs, Bowersville, Martin, Avalon, and Victoria Bryant State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. At 9 p.m. in Athens,